Good morning, Savorers. Wow, didn't know it was raining. Well, I guess we'll get wet. Well, I'm glad we didn't go skiing. It was super cold, super windy. Don't love the wind. And there were 51 inches of base last week, and there are now 91 inches of base. So they've got 40 inches of snow in the last week. So it's been dumping up there. So we will get up there soon. Last night we went out to 38 degrees in Battleground to see Tony Smiling with some really good friends and had a blast. If you have not seen him, he is fantastic. Then we went afterwards to, he started at 6, went afterwards to see one of their friends that they know that's a musician, fantastic as well. I'll put links down below. Habit quote for the day, this is Stephen Covey. Some habits of ineffectiveness are rooted in our social conditioning toward quick fix, short-term thinking. Well, I am one guilty one of this one. That sometimes you want to make a change, but it's a really big change and unrealistic to think that would even be done, or the study needed to make the change. It could be in a career, could be health-wise, but didn't happen in a month, when in reality it really would take about a year to make that change. So I think, living in reality of this isn't going to be easy, but it's going to be worth it. Break it down into daily, weekly habits and start to make the change. So I'd love to hear things, if that makes sense to you. I'd love to hear your thoughts on it. Put it in the comments below. Oh, just taking a mindful moment. The sun is out. It's been raining, snowing up in the mountains for a long time, so I'm enjoying the sun on my face, feel the warmth and the wonderfulness of the day. So here's a habit I am really trying to do consistently this year, is just doing a weeknight planner for dinner. So this is a go-to recipe. We make a lot. This one as well. This one as well. This is something new that we're adding, something new that we're adding. But essentially, list the ingredients that you need, the things that you don't have checked off. That's your shopping list for the food side of things. If you want to add anything down here, it's a quick and easy way to be organized around your meals for the week.